The only well-recognized hemoglobinopathy in animals that causes photosensitivity in cattle is thalassemia, sickle cell disease, porphyria, methemoglobinemia. And the correct answer is option C, that is porphyria. Increased red blood cell production during hypoxic conditions is primarily mediated by thrombopoietin, erythropoietin, colony stimulating factor, interleukin 3. And the correct answer is option B, that is erythropoietin. Hypoxia increases erythrocyte production mainly by stimulating which renal cells to secrete erythropoietin? Juxtaglomerular cells, proximal tubular cells, peritubular interstitial cells, macula densa cells. And the correct answer is option C, that is peritubular interstitial cells. Failure of erythrocytosis in a hypoxic animal is most likely due to dysfunction of which organ? Liver, spleen, kidney, bone marrow. And the correct answer is option C, that is kidney. Chronic renal failure commonly results in anemia primarily due to reduced RBC lifespan, bone marrow suppression, increased plasma volume, decreased erythropoietin production. And the correct answer is option D, that is decreased erythropoietin production. Anemia associated with chronic kidney disease is typically classified as microcytic hypochromic, macrocytic normochromic, normocytic normochromic, hemolytic anemia. And the correct answer is option C, that is normocytic normochromic anemia. A small fraction of senescent erythrocytes undergo intravascular hemolysis, releasing free hemoglobin at a rate of approximately less than 0.1%, approximately 1%, approximately 10%, approximately 25%. The correct answer is option B, that is approximately 1%. Free hemoglobin released during intravascular hemolysis is primarily bound in plasma by albumin, transferrin, haptoglobin, ceruloplasmin. And the correct answer is option C, that is haptoglobin. Aplastic anemia is best defined as anemia resulting from increased RBC destruction, failure of bone marrow hematopoiesis, defective hemoglobin synthesis, chronic blood loss. And the correct answer is option B, that is failure of bone marrow hematopoiesis. An animal with anemia, leukopenia, and thrombocytopenia but normal erythropoietin levels most likely has iron deficiency anemia, chronic renal failure, aplastic anemia, immune-mediated hemolytic anemia. And the correct answer is option C, that is aplastic anemia. Which clinical feature most strongly distinguishes polycythemia vera from secondary polycythemia? Increased hematocrit, increased blood viscosity, splenomegaly, history of chronic hypoxia. And the correct answer is option C, that is splenomegaly. Phagocytic cells of the immune system are broadly classified into lymphocytes and monocytes, granulocytes and lymphocytes, macrophages and neutrophils, mononuclear phagocytes and granulocytes. The correct answer is option D, that is mononuclear phagocytes and granulocytes. Which cell type belongs to the mononuclear phagocyte system? Neutrophil, macrophage, eosinophil, basophil. And the correct answer is option B, that is macrophage. Which phagocytic cell is most active during acute bacterial infection? Macrophage, neutrophil, monocyte, lymphocyte. And the correct answer is option B, that is neutrophil. Mononuclear phagocytes are released from bone marrow into blood primarily as macrophages, neutrophils, monocytes, lymphocytes. And the correct answer is option C, that is monocytes. After migrating from blood into tissues, monocytes differentiate into plasma cells, dendritic cells, reticular cells, macrophages. And the correct answer is option D, that is macrophages. Which sequence correctly represents the life cycle of mononuclear phagocytes? Marrow, macrophage, monocyte, tissue. Marrow, monocyte, macrophage, tissue. Blood, marrow, monocyte, macrophage. Monocyte, marrow, tissue to macrophage. And the correct answer is option B, that is marrow into monocyte, monocyte into macrophage, and macrophage into tissue. Classification of granulocytes is mainly based on nuclear size, cytoplasmic staining, cell diameter, phagocytic capacity. And the correct answer is option B, that is cytoplasmic staining affinity. Which granulocyte is most commonly associated with parasitic infestations and allergic reactions? Neutrophil, basophil, monocytes, eosinophil. And the correct answer is option D, that is eosinophil. Cells primarily responsible for both humoral and cell-mediated immunity are neutrophils, macrophages, lymphocytes, basophils. And the correct answer is option C, that is lymphocytes. Which lymphocyte subtype is directly responsible for humoral immunity? Cytotoxic T cells, helper T cells, natural killer cells, B lymphocytes. And the correct answer is option D, that is B lymphocytes. Cell-mediated immunity is mainly carried out by which lymphocyte population? B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, plasma cells, mast cells. And the correct answer is option B, that is T lymphocytes. Primary site of lymphocyte production in mammals is the thymus, spleen, bone marrow, lymph node. And the correct answer is option C, that is bone marrow. Failure of bone marrow function in a mammal would most directly result in isolated T cell deficiency, loss of antibody production only, deficiency of both B and T lymphocytes, reduced neutrophil activity only. And the correct answer is option C, that is deficiency of both B and T lymphocytes. Lymphocytes that migrate to the thymus are primarily destined to become B lymphocytes, plasma cells, T lymphocytes, natural killer cells. And the correct answer is option C, that is T lymphocytes.